Hi, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida. I'm going to show you a brand new Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard that just came in. It's located inside our showroom here in Pompano Beach. Beautiful blue hull, white gel coat bottom. Look at how beautiful that color is. Let me get up close so you can see it. And on the water, it looks even better when it reflects off the water. 150 4-stroke motor on the back. Boat comes with a tandem axle trailer with brakes, bimini top, and this new stone interior. Really nice color package. Let's step aboard and show you what she has. All right, we're up aboard the 2020 Sea Ray 21 SPX outboard. I'm gonna give you a little overview of the options this boat has. Again, it's equipped with a Mercury 150 horsepower 4-stroke motor. Got a 12-volt charger right here in the transom, so you can plug in your air compressor for water toys, blow up the rafts. You got this beautiful gray interior color scheme. It's called Stone. New for 2020, and it really complements that blue exterior beautifully. We also want to point out that this boat also has the blue LED courtesy lights in the cup holders and strips under the seats. Stainless steel upgrade, which gives you all the grab handles. Upgraded stereo system, which comes with 6 speakers and a subwoofer with a Fusion stereo head unit. Snap-in SeaDeck flooring. Again, this boat is at MarineMax Pompano Beach. Beautiful 210 SPX outboard, rated for 12 passengers. Got a depth sounder, analog gauges, Fusion head unit. Got plenty of seating, plenty of space, dedicated cooler storage under this seat, insulated cooler seat under the transom seat, nice sun pad. Again, with the motor being on the transom, we got a huge storage area where the motor would be. Don't have to worry about running any blowers or anything of that matter. We do have a little door here to contain everybody in. Again, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida, the brand new 2020 Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard. Give me a call at 954-633-2070.